City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video we are doing a clean with me. So I have lots of tidying up to do and lots of just cleaning each room within the house. So if you are needing some motivation to get something done today, this is definitely the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along. So we started in Eleni's room today. Normally I start in my room and make my bed first, but I just wanted to change it up today, and now I'm going to wipe down the nightstand and her dresser drawer as well. And then we're going to move into my office / closet space. And honestly, this space looks really good right now just because I did do an organize with me video. So go check that video out. I will put that in the description box below if you want to check that video out. But then we're going to move on into the living room as well. So we have lots to do. Like I said, it's mainly just tidying up and just getting all of our ducks in a row in regards to making sure our house is neat, tidy, and clean. If you are needing a good nonfiction book to read, I wanted to share my newest book that I'm reading, which is called You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. So far, I think I'm on chapter 4 or 5. Really good book. Basically, she breaks down how she goes through like therapy sessions. So she's basically sort of like your therapist through this book, and she gives you different exercises to do. I honestly got this recommendation from another YouTuber that I watch. So if you're needing any type of self-improvement type book to read right now, this is definitely a really great book so far.
A little bit too much. I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out.
I know I talked to you guys about this, I think maybe 3 or 4 videos back, but I wanted to create a little dining area for us, along with I want to purchase a new sectional. So I have found the new sectional that I want to purchase. However, I haven't purchased it yet, but it should I should make the big purchase, I would say probably the end of May-ish. So I'll definitely bring you guys like a living room makeover video. And then I also want to say I have purchased my dining room table, and that'll be in like mid-May. And then I also purchased the dining room chairs as well, and those are already in. They're actually sitting in my office space, so I'm just waiting for the table to come in. But I'm so excited to share that with you guys. I'm honestly the most excited in regards to we can actually all sit down like at an actual table and eat dinner. For the longest, we just had those bar stools because at the previous apartment we didn't have much space, so we felt like if we added a dining room table it was just going to be too much. So that's why we just kept the bar stools. But since moving into the 3-bedroom, we have a lot more space, and I just feel like the dining room table is just going to make a huge difference.
Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you.
So now we are in the bathroom. I'm going to wipe down the sinks, and then I'm also going to go ahead and deep clean the toilet as well. I'm not going to touch the shower today, but like I said, we're going to deep clean the sinks and then also the toilet as well.
I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before.
If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, any type of motivation to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here. So in the kitchen today, we're just going to clean off the countertops, wipe the countertops down, and then I also have to put several things back where they go that don't belong in the kitchen as well. One of the best tips I can give you in regards to cleaning your entire home quickly is that whenever you are putting your items back, so for example, if you're cleaning your living room and you have several things that go into your bedroom, but you haven't tackled your bedroom yet, I would definitely recommend just taking those items from the living room that belong in the bedroom to the bedroom. However, don't clean the bedroom then. So go back to the living room, which is where you were at, and finish that space. And then once you get to the bedroom, then you'll tackle those items. That is the best way to stay focused whenever you're cleaning your entire space, and it will save you so much time in the long run. So I'm cleaning my countertops with Mrs. Meyer's, of course. I also sometimes will do like a scrub before I use my Mrs. Meyer's, just depending on how nasty the countertop space is. But today I'm just wiping it down. I'll usually spray my rag with the Power Wash Dawn soap, wipe down the countertops, and then go back over it with Mrs. Meyer's. And then to deep clean my sink, I always use the Dawn Power Wash.
Sour taste will wash
last week I detailed mopped the entire house. So I used the old cedar mop, and I actually really love it. I put it in, I think I showed you guys in my previous cleaning video on using the old cedar mop and just my overall review of it. But like I always say, I always use my wet vac weekly. So this is the day I'm going to actually use my wet vac instead of using my old cedar mop. So for my mop, I'm thinking I'm going to do like a detail mop, I would say twice a month, and then my wet vac I'll probably use it once a week, or like spot cleaning for spills and stuff like that. But today I'm actually going to use my wet vac to mop all of my floors. So another thing that really needed to be tackled was putting up those clothes, and then also just tidying up the laundry room. For some reason, this is sort of becoming like a little bit of a catch-all space in regards to like when we after we wash clothes, if those are clothes that are not placed in the dryer, we'll leave them in there forever. So I wanted to straighten that up, and then I also wanted just to clean the washer and dryer off just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and start vacuuming and mopping the floors. So I went ahead and placed my bathroom trash inside the trash bag. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out a little bit later, but I wanted to go ahead and change out that. And now I'm just switching over. These were pretty much just towels from throughout the house that needed to be washed. So I just grabbed the towels from like the hand towels from both bathrooms and also the kitchen as well. So I went ahead and washed that and then added a few more other towels in there as well. So we're going to go ahead and switch those over, and then we're going to vacuum the bedroom after that. Really love the fact that we have carpet in the bedrooms now. I just wasn't too fond of having like hardwood floors in the bedrooms. For some reason I feel like the dust just accumulates so much more. So I'm really happy to have carpet in this room. However, I had purchased this rug when we had hard floors, like we had cement floors in the previous apartment. So the rug was actually fine to put down to where it wouldn't ravel up. So just let me know in the comments below if you guys have a rug on top of your carpet and it doesn't ravel up, or it doesn't like it's not smooth or anything like that, and you have a DIY or a trick that will help the carpet stay down to where we don't have to like put books on it or something heavy to try to smooth it out. I don't know, I've tried to research on how to do it. Some people said to do like carpet stoppers and stuff like that, and we've tried to do that, but it's sort of hard whenever you have the carpet underneath the rug. So if you guys could just help me out there, I'm sure somebody out there knows a different remedy, or maybe I just need to get a different type of rug. So if you know the answer to this, please let me know in the comments below. we are almost finished with vacuuming and mopping the floor. Like I said, I'm using my wet vac today. I try to use this at least once a week, and for the most part I try to do it when nobody else is home, just because it'll dry without people walking over it or anything like that. So I try to always do it when I'm by myself, so normally throughout the day. But then I'm going to actually clean Eleni's bathroom. I didn't really film it too well just because I was just trying to get it over with because I had to go pick her up. But I thought I'd just throw a little bit of extra motivation in towards the end of this video. If you need to, get something done quickly or to simply make your bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it inspired you, like I said, to get something done. And as I always say, definitely start small and you can work your way up. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.